As we're all well aware, our penis is of extreme importance to each and every one of us. It's a source of pride and is the embodiment of our manhood. And while its strength and flexibility is incredible, as with any other part of our body, injuries can and do happen. Causes may be numerous, from improperly executed enlargement practices, such as jelqing, stretching, or kegling, to sex, or even forceful masturbation. Once injured, collagen scar tissue is usually formed within weeks, but injury symptoms may be present immediately. The collagen tissue severely differs from the normal, more elastic penile tissue and frequently results in a condition called Peyronie's disease. Depending on the location and the elasticity of the scar, the penis may suffer from different shape alterations. They usually go hand in hand with worsened sensitivity and erectile capabilities, ranging from slightly worsened to a complete erectile dysfunction. We've observed and studied literally thousands of injury cases over the last several years. We've taken into consideration an extreme amount of factors responsible or contributing to the dreaded injuries affecting the penis, and we are proud to present our improved SR Cream. It's a cream like no other, especially designed to rejuvenate, strengthen, and return the elasticity of your penile tissues. You can be 100% assured that it will remove or even prevent scar tissues from forming. The unique combination stimulates cell renewal by penetrating and nourishing internal tissues, as well as naturally modulating elasticity, prostaglandin 1, 3, and nitric oxide availability. It also effectively reduces any excessive local inflammatory responses, frequently responsible for the uncontrolled collagen scar tissue formation and its structural support. Let's take a look at the 9 active ingredients, as we are convinced they speak for themselves. Aloe Barbadensis. Aloe Barbadensis is naturally rich in calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamins A, E, and C, and numerous enzymes and proteins. It also contains over 20 amino acids, 7 of which essential. It's well known to help with skin lesions, wounds, sunburns, as well as conditions such as acne, pimples, and rosacea. Because of the salicylic acid and high antioxidant value, aloe is used in skincare products as an anti-aging and healing agent. Additionally, the herb has an antiseptic effect. It's known for destroying bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and for its overall disinfectant capabilities. Aloe Barbadensis also stimulates the cell-renewing process and is quite special in that it appears to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamin E and vitamin B12. Chamomile resuscita. The flowers of Chamomile resuscita contain 1 to 2% volatile oils, including alpha-bisabolol, oxides A and B, and matricin, which is usually converted to chemazoline and other flavonoids possessing anti-inflammatory and anti-phlogistic properties. A study in human volunteers demonstrated that chamomile flavonoids and essential oils penetrate below the skin surface into the deeper skin layers. This is important for their use as topical anti-phlogistic, anti-inflammatory agents. One of chamomile's anti-inflammatory activities involve the inhibition of LPS-induced prostaglandin E2 release and attenuation of cyclooxygenase COX2 enzyme activity without affecting the constitutive form COX1. Traditionally, Chamomile resuscita has been used for centuries as an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, mild astringent, and healing medicine. As a traditional medicine, it is used to treat wounds, ulcers, eczema, gout, skin irritations, bruises, burns, canker sores, neuralgia, sciatica, rheumatic pain, hemorrhoids, mastitis, and other ailments. Externally, chamomile has been used to treat diaper rash, cracked nipples, chickenpox, ear and eye infections, disorders of the eyes, including blocked tear ducts, conjunctivitis, nasal inflammation, and poison ivy. Chamomile is widely used to treat inflammations of the skin and mucous membranes, and for various bacterial infections of the skin, oral cavity and gums, and respiratory tract. The efficacy of topical use of chamomile to enhance wound healing was evaluated in a double-blind trial on 14 patients who underwent dermabrasion of tattoos. The effects on drying and epithelialization were observed, and chamomile was judged to be statistically efficacious in producing wound drying and in speed epithelialization. Antimicrobial activity of the extract against various microorganisms was also assessed. The test group on day 15 exhibited a greater reduction in the wound area when compared with the controls, 61% versus 48%, faster epithelialization, and a significantly higher wound-breaking strength. In addition, wet and dry granulation tissue weight and hydroxyproline content were significantly higher. The increased rate of wound contraction, together with the increased wound-breaking strength, hydroxyproline content, and histological observations support the use of M. resuscita in wound management. Recent studies suggest that chamomile leads to a complete wound healing faster than corticosteroids. Melissa officinalis. Melissa officinalis, also known as lemon balm, is rich in calcium, phosphor, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Melissa officinalis benefits include healing wounds, reducing pain, and calming the mind. Even before the Middle Ages, Melissa officinalis was used to improve sleep and appetite and treat insect bites and stings. Medical research has also found that lemon balm, applied topically, can effectively treat herpes simplex virus sores. Today, when combined with other essential oils, lemon balm oil uses are far-reaching. Arctium lapa. Arctium lapa, also known as burdock, is a rich source of potassium, iron, and calcium and has been used therapeutically in Europe, North America, and Asia for hundreds of years. The roots, seeds, and leaves of Arctium lapa have been investigated in view of its popular uses in traditional medicine. Almost all parts of burdock plants, right from the plant and roots to the seeds and greens, are known for their healing properties. In the root, the active ingredients have been found to detoxify blood in terms of TCM and promote blood circulation to the skin surface, improving the skin quality texture and curing skin diseases like eczema. Antioxidants and anti-diabetic compounds have also been found in the root. In the seeds, some active compounds possess anti-inflammatory effects and potent inhibitory effects on the growth of tumors, such as pancreatic carcinoma. In the leaf extract, the active compounds isolated can inhibit the growth of microorganisms in the oral cavity. Equisetum arvense. Equisetum arvense, also known as horsetail, is a natural source of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, zinc, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin C. It also contains 5 to 7% silicic acid, palestrine, palustridine, phytosterol, beta-sitosterol, and malic acid. The active components from horsetail have antimicrobial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory effects. The variety of bioflavonoids support its antioxidant activity and protect tissues from free radical damage. It's well known for its astringent properties that help skin pores and tone skin. It has also been shown to improve skin texture with a moisturizing effect and help restore skin elasticity, bringing back that youthful snap. Its healing properties are known to soothe cuts and wounds, and to improve conditions like eczema. It's been consistently included in top-grade products known for their strong rejuvenating properties. Calendula officinalis. Calendula officinalis, also known as pot marigold, is rich in phytochemicals including lycopene, calcium, coenzyme Q10, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It has also been used for its antiseptic and healing properties in treating burns, skin infection, inflammation, punctures, cuts, scrapes, abrasions, blisters, scalds, rashes, including diaper rash, acne, and athlete's foot. The plant has also been shown to be particularly useful in the treatment of varicose veins. According to numerous pharmacological studies, Calendula officinalis influences metabolism of proteins and collagen, promoting the growth of new healthy cells. Rosa damascena extract. Containing a complex array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, rose essential oil has excellent emollient properties for moisturizing dry skin. It also offers antiseptic and astringent properties to treat acneic skin, as well as anti-inflammatory properties that help treat redness and inflammation. Rose oil can also help refine skin texture, controlling skin diseases such as psoriasis and atopic dermatitis. Numerous studies have shown that rose essential oil is beneficial to wound healing, as it inhibits water loss in the skin and lowers local cortisol and PGE2 concentrations. Cocos nucifera oil. Coconut oil, also known as coconut palm, is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is frequently used for dry and damaged skin, cuts, and bruises. Coconut oil forms a protective barrier to hold in moisture while penetrating into the deeper layers of the skin, keeping connective tissues strong and supple. Coconut oil is readily absorbed into the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also aids in exfoliating the outer layer of dead skin cells, making the skin healthier and smoother. Vitamin E. Vitamin E plays a vital role in maintaining cell structure and is also known to have strong antioxidant properties. Vitamin E has also been used to treat Peyronie's disease. Early studies on the use of vitamin E in Peyronie's disease reported a decrease in penile curvature in 78% of patients and a decrease in plaque size in 91%. A survey of results reported in the literature between 1952 and 1982 suggested response rates between 20 and 70%. Another study reported resolution of plaques 20% and penile curvature 33% with vitamin E therapy. Although results may remain inconclusive, vitamin E application is largely considered to be an inexpensive, virtually side effect-free, and reasonable treatment to offer patients awaiting stabilization of the condition. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out the description below for additional information.